A problem on continuous random variable. Here the probability distribution function capital F of x can be defined, and to find the small f of x, that is the probability density function, and unknown value k. Third one is the mean. The problem is a continuous random variable capital X has the distribution function capital F of x equal to set of 0 if x is less than or equal to 1, k into x minus 1 whole power 4 if 1 is less than x is less than or equal to 3, 1 if x is greater than 3. Determine the small f of x. Second one is the unknown value k. Third one is the mean. Here we know that the relation of the small f of x and capital F of x is f of x is equal to d by dx of capital F of x. That is the probability density function is equal to derivative of the probability distribution function, that is cumulative distribution function, or d f of x is equal to f of x dx. So here we can find out small f of x, that is nothing but first we can take the given function, the probability distribution function, given that the probability distribution function capital F of x is equal to set of 0 if x is less than or equal to 1, k into x minus 1 whole power 4 if one is less than x is less than or equal to 3, 1 if x is greater than 3. The probability density function is density function small f of x is equal to d by dx of capital F of x, that is nothing but small f of x is equal to set of 0 differentiation is 0 if x is less than or equal to 1, k x minus 1 whole power 4 differentiation is 4 into x minus 1 whole cube if 1 is less than x is less than or equal to 3. 1 differentiation is 0 if x is greater than 3. This is the probability density function. From this to find out the k. Now to find out the second one, k. The relation of the finding of k is integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. From this integral the limits are minus infinity to 1 f of x dx plus 1 to 3 f of x dx plus integral 3 to infinity f of x dx is equal to equal to 1. Here minus infinity to 1 limit value is 0, 3 to infinity is the function value is 0. So it is 0 plus integral 1 to 3 4k into x minus 1 whole cube dx plus 0 equal to 1. From this we can take 4k is a constant right outside, integral 1 to 3 x minus 1 whole cube dx equal to 1. We know that x minus 1 equal to suppose t, dx equal to dt. So integral of t cube dt is equal to t power 4 by 4. So here 4k into x minus 1 whole power 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Here limits we can take 1, 2, 3. Here 4 ones are cancel. K into upper limit is 3 minus 1 whole power 4 minus 1 minus 1 whole power 4 is equal to 1. K into 3 minus 1 is 2 power 4 minus 0 is equal to 1. That implies K value is 1 by 2 power 4 equal to 1 by 16. Therefore, K equal to 1 by 16 is the value from the probability density function. Next, to find out the mean, that is the mean is equal to, it is denoted by mu, that is minus infinity to infinity x f of x dx is equal to integral minus infinity to 1, we can split into limits, x f of x dx plus integral 1 to 3 x f of x dx plus integral 3 to infinity x f of x dx. In this, the probability density function in the first limit and third limits are 0. Then it is equal to integral 1 to 3 x f of x dx. It is equal to integral 1 to 3 k into x, 4k into x minus 1 whole cube dx. In the previous also one x is there. It is equal to 4, k value is 1 by 16, integral 1 to 3 x into a minus b whole cube, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus minus b cube into dx. Since k equal to 1 by 16 from the above case, 4 ones are 4 fours are, it is equal to 1 by 4 integral 1 to 3 multiply with x, x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube plus 3x square minus x into dx. It is equal to 1 by 4 integration of x to the power of 4 is x to the power of 5 by 5 minus 3 into x to the power of 4 by 4 plus 3 into x cube by 3 minus x square by 2, limits from 1 to 3. It is equal to, mean is mu equal to 1 by 4 into upper limit is 3, 3 minus 1 whole power 5 by 5 minus 3 by 4 into 3 minus 1 whole power 4 by 4 minus plus 3 into 3 get cancelled. Here we can take separately upper limit minus lower limit. It is 3 power 5 by 5 minus 3 by 4. 3 power 4 minus plus 3 power 3 minus 3 square by 2 minus lower limit is 1 power 5 by 5, 1 by 5 minus 3 by 4 plus 1 minus 1 by 2. It is equal to 1 by 4. 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81, 81 3s are 243. 243 by 5 minus 243 by 4 plus 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 3 3s are 9 by 2 minus, taking the LCM, 5 4s are 20, 20 is the LCM, 4 minus 5 3s are 15 plus 20 minus 10. Equal to 1 by 4 into, again 20 is the LCM. Here 4 into 243 is common, 4 minus 5 plus 20 means 0, 540 minus 90 minus, here 24 minus 25 minus 1 by 20, that is minus into minus plus 1 by 20. It is equal to 1 by 4 into 243 with negative whole 20. Here 540 minus 90 means it is the 450. Okay, this is plus 450 plus 1. It is equal to 1 by 80 into 451 minus 243. It's a 411. 8 0 2 208. 4 2s are 0s are 4 5s are 4 2s are 4 5s are 4 1s are 4 3s are. It is equal to 13 by 5 equal to 2.6. Therefore, mean is equal to 2.6 is the value. Second one, the troubleshooting capability of an IC chip in a circuit is a random variable x whose distribution function is given by distribution function capital F of x is given by set of 0 for x is less than or equal to 3, 1 minus 9 by x square for x is greater than 3. That is nothing but minus infinity to 3 value the function is 0, 3 to infinity the function is 1 minus 9 by x square. Here where small x denotes the number of years. Find the probability that the IC chip will work properly in that years. First we can find out less than 8 years. Second one is beyond 8 years, that is nothing but above 8 years. Third one is between 5 to 7, that is nothing but 5 is less than x is less than 7. Anywhere from 2 to 5 years, that is 2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 5 years. We can find out. Here first we can take the given probability density function, it is not probability density function. It's the probability density function they have given. F of x is equal to set of 0 for x is less than 3, 1 minus 9 by x square for x is greater than or equal to 3. This is less than or equal to 3, it is greater than 3. Is the probability density function. Sorry, probability distribution function, not density function. It is the distribution function. In this, we can calculate the first one is probability of x is less than 8 and second one is probability is beyond 8. Here we can take less than 8, the probability of beyond x is greater than or equal to 8, or we can take x is greater than 8. Third one is probability in between of 5 and 7, that is the third one. The fourth one is probability from 2 to 7, 2 to 5. These we have to find out. We know that from the probability density function that is probability of x is less than or equal to small x, that is equal to integral minus infinity to small x f of x dx is equal to capital F of x. Here x is less than 8 means we can take from the probability distribution function f of 8. It is nothing but in the up to above means from minus infinity to 3, that's 0, from 3 to 8 whatever that is the 1 minus 9 by 8 square, that is 64 is the LCM. 64 minus 9, it is equal to 55 by 64. This is equal to 0.85. 64 into 55, it is 0.85 by using the calculator. Next we can find out probability of x is greater than 8 means 1 minus probability of x is less than or equal to 8. In this less than or less than equal to negligible, so we can take probability of x is less than or equal to 8 or less than 8, both are the same values, that is equal to, here up to 4 decimals the value is, by using of the calculator, 55 by 64 is 0.8594. Here 1 minus 0.8594 is equal to it's 604.1406, and here probability between 5 to 7 means we know that f of b minus f of a, that is f of 7 minus f of 5, it is equal to 1 minus 9 by 7 square minus 1 minus 9 by 5 square. Taking the simplification, 1 minus 1 is 0, minus into minus plus, 9 is taking common, 1 by 25 minus 1 by 49. It is equal to 9 by 25 into 49, 49 minus 25, it is equal to 9 into 24 by 25 into 49. After the simplification, the decimal value is 0.1763. That is the probability. Here the probability from 2 to 5 is f of 5 minus f of 2. In the continuous function, it's less than or equal to negligible. Both are equal in the continuous function. So it is equal to 1 minus 9 by 5 square minus 1 minus 9 by 2 square. No. Why? Because in the function of 2, that value is 0. So it is equal to 5 square is 25 minus 9 by 25 equal to 16 by 25. This is equal to 0.64. Okay, here just you can concentrate. F of 2 means, that is from function is 0, x is less than or equal to 3. This 2 value is belongs to this interval, so here the function is 0. Therefore P of x is less than 8 is equal to 0.8594. P of x is greater than 8 equal to 0.1406. P of 5 is less than x is less than 7 equal to 0.1763. Fourth one, probability 2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 5 is equal to 0.64. This is the way how to do the value. Both problems are related to probability distribution function, but the way of the asking questions are different. The solution is also in the different form. Here we are using the upper limit minus lower limit. In the previous case, directly we can apply the for mean unknown value k, then we use the integral of the continuous random variable definition only.